Hi guys, I'm Mommy Zai. And what's your name?
Una.
And welcome to Craftoona! We are now on the third vlog of our Rainbow Birthday series! Last February, we DIY'd a lot of things. First is the DIY Rainbow Birthday Crowns, and then the DIY Rainbow Birthday Backdrop, and then we also DIY'd Una's giveaways. And syempre, for us to give you free downloadable files, we created a new one just for you. So for today, we are going to create the DIY Rainbow Party Favors. So nag-design kami ng milk carton box wherein you can put candies inside or anything na pwede nyo ibigay as giveaways. So before we start, here are the materials or items that we need.
Yay!
We hope na nag-enjoy po kayo sa aming panibagong DIY Rainbow Birthday idea for today. And kung nagustuhan niyo po ang aming content, please give us a thumbs up. Yay! Dalawa. Okay. And kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell for you to get notified on our next videos. A Abangan niyo po ang last vlog ng aming birthday series. See you in our next project. Bye!
Bye-bye!